The band instrument repair program at Western Iowa Tech is one of few in the nation.
WITTv's Anahi Reyes takes an inside look at the program.
If you blow into it, we fix it. Anything from, over the course of the 2 years, I'm going to try to throw everything from piccolos to tubas at this group.
Western Iowa Tech provides a band instrument repair program, giving students a chance to learn hands-on how to fix a variety of instruments. Mark Schmittinghoff, the instructor for band instrument repair, has been running the program for the past 15 years. He gives us further insight on what his students' learning experience looks like here at WIT.
We start the first year with the main instruments that a music store would rent to beginners: flute, clarinet, saxophone, trumpet, and trombone. And then we add to that in the second year to cover some of the others, the larger brasses, the harmony woodwinds, those kind of things. We do a little bit of machining work to learn how to make some small parts. We do a little bit of, we sort of scratch the surface of violin repair of orchestral strings. That's a whole different world, but we at least do some very basics to be able to, part of their job might be to maintain a rental pool, so that's part of what we do. We get students from all over the country and sometimes the world. And then they'll go all over the country for their work. Most of the graduates will go to work for a music store, somebody like Reyes Midbell here in town. Midbell employs 6 of our graduates in the repair shop. And but all over the country there are WIT graduates in music stores fixing horns.
Band instrument repair is not really a program that most people hear about. It's nice that it's music related, but you get to work with your hands a lot more, and you're not forced to be super social like you would be if you're going to like a performance or teaching realm. So, and I love being able to work on the different instruments. Brass and woodwinds, they're just completely different. So, I love the opportunities it gives me and the connections I can make. There's such a wide range of people that are in this program, and it opens availabilities in like not just band instrument repair, but like in like if you want to go into manufacturing of instruments or designing custom parts or custom instruments, it allows you to really get in those skills to start doing like things like that.
So when it comes to this industry, there is a lot of building routine, and we have 2 big textbooks with just about everything you would need to know. But you'll realize pretty quick you need a lot more than that. You need to get your hands on these instruments to, really understand how things work. Just the words in the book won't completely do it for you. My favorite part about this program is how much you're able to get out of it as long as you have the motivation and the interest to put in. You get just as much out as you put in experience-wise. There is very little restrictions on how many instruments you can work on. You have plenty of time. There's all these opportunities, all these resources for you. So as long as you have the motivation, the drive, the interest, you can get out a ton from this program.
For more information on the band instrument repair program, visit wittcc.edu/programs.